Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the light bulb on a 2019 Mini Countryman. Some other Minis may be similar. First, start by turning the wheel to the opposite side of the headlight that's out. Open your hood. Now you're going to find an access port inside the inner fender above the wheel. Like this. Just turn that. And then there's another access port behind that. Open that one as well. And then for ease of sight, take the top access port off as well. Inside you will find your high beam and low beam. I'm replacing low beam today. This is the one on the far side. And all you're going to do is tug at the plastic connector. It will pop out from the metal housing. Now it's best to use gloves. This is the part for the replacement. I got mine at Napa. Use gloves when handling the bulb, especially the new bulb, because the oils from your skin will cause it to burn out prematurely. Reinsert the bulb into the connector and feed it back through your access port. Now, something that I found difficult was lining up the headlight in the housing. However, if you look through the front of the headlight, you should be able to see from the front angle what you're doing. And you're just going to push it in. Might take some fiddling. Then check to make sure that it works before you button everything back up. Put your access ports back on. And you've just changed the headlight on your Mini Countryman. Please like, subscribe, and comment.